What's going on, everybody? It's your boy Gerald from Bank of Gerald here with another video update. Today is Thursday, August the 24th, 2023. Today we are going to be talking about automated capital. As some of you may know, I have jumped back in and got involved with automated capital, and we're going to be talking about what it did just its first day. You know, we're just getting started. I just did my first video. I made my own personal investment, and we have already seen some profits. Which is good. All right, getting off to a great start. But before we get started in talking about that, I want to remind all of you that I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice, and I am not your financial advisor. All right, I'm just a dude on YouTube showing you guys how I am cranking out that crypto in many different platforms. Nothing more and nothing less than that. Now, if you like this content, go ahead and hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. If you want to be updated and notified about everything going on here at BOJ, make sure you hit the notification bell as well. And please, sir, please, ma'am, don't get scammed by the WhatsApp, man, because if he gets you, there's absolutely nothing that I can do to help you, all right? So stay diligent and vigilant in this space and in the comment section as well. I want to direct our attention to the Telegram group where all the information is going from Automated Capital about its returns on a day-to-day basis. And we want to go back to the 22nd. So I do believe that I got involved on the 21st, and the 22nd was my real first day of trading. And then, of course, I think actually yesterday may have been my real first day of trading, but we're going to start with talking about the 21st, all right? It starts with some returns that they have here for the day. They said, I guess this is the 22nd, they did 0.9% for the week through August the 20th through the 26th. So far, they had done 0.59 for the month, 3.18, all right? And because the plan just got started, the year-to-date is, of course, 3.18. And then for the, so that was overall, I think. No, I'm sorry, this is the cross pairs only, right? And like I said before, you have choices with this one, all right? When you go to the broker, finessefx.io, which is in the description below, and you search in, and I'll show you guys how to do that once again, but if you search automated capital, you will find all the different options that there are. So they have the cross pairs only that did that, Euro to USD, hadn't done anything for that day just yet. And then, of course, they have the XAU only, which is up and getting ready to get started. So they have some information on that. So let's go ahead and read what they said. It says our cross-pair system closed out at 0.29. And remind you, this is the 22nd. All right, today is the 24th. So we do have more to talk about. This is just 22nd. It says our cross-pair system closed at 0.29 gain, and our Euro USD system had no gain for the day. We're still in trades on both systems currently. Patience is key. Our XAU system is officially trading and making gains. We closed out at 1.05 today. This will be unavailable for now while we test it out, but we will start to post the results until we launch it. Once the XAU system goes live, we will only be able to access it after you have made a minimum deposit in either Euro USD or cross-pair system. Minimum deposit will be 500. All right, so that is their minimum requirements to be a part of the XAU. They are currently testing that system right now, and when it becomes live, you'll know it, but they will be posting their results until it does. All right, so that was the 22nd. Let's go to the 23rd. All right, now Euro USD did 2.15% on the 23rd. Gotta clap that up. That's pretty good. That's pretty good, which brings their percentage for the week up to 3.04% for the week. Now that has been comparable to a lot of the different things that we have been involved in that, you know, have a passive element. And of course, this is trading, so there's all risk. It could be up today, it could be down tomorrow, and it's automated. It's not me doing the trading. I am not doing the trading. So and that's kind of the way I like it. I'm not a trader, so if I want to delegate some funds to the risk of trading, I'm glad that I can delegate it to a system like Automated Capital. Of course, they say for the month of August, they've done 10.72%. And for year to date, they've done 12.4%. So that's not bad at all. 12.4% just for a year to date starting right before August started is not bad at all. Let's talk about what they said. Today, we'll announce our US 30 system, completing all of our available strategies we plan on having for the time being. So that means 4, all right? They're gonna have 4 strategies, and they're all listed right here. More info on that and our and all our other strategies in the next 24 hours. So we'll be looking for some more information on that. This was posted yesterday around 5:49 p.m. just for reference, Eastern time. All right, it says we're currently in trades on 3 systems. All right, US 30 is not in any trades, but they are in trades in the Euro USD, cross pairs, and XAU USD. All right, so all of this information is great information to have if this is something that you're interested in. I know that I'm interested in it, and I'm excited to see some of the gains that have. Matter of fact, let me go ahead and jump into my back office here so I can show you guys inside. Right, so this is Finesse FX, and when I go to accounts, right, of course, for those of you that know or may not know, I deposited my own 3,000 around, and I'm allowing it to do its thing for a little bit, and then we'll test withdrawals when we see fit. But these are the 2 that I'm in right now, and I wanted to show you guys that I am active in them. I know at one point it did say freeze, right? So that's just while they confirmed the deposit and everything, and it happened fairly quickly that it was active and updated and ready to rock and roll, and I already got some returns from it. So for the first one that I put 2,500 in, I made $277 on that Euro USD. All right, and that is their flagship. That's the one that they are saying is the one that has been most successful. I mean, the numbers don't lie. You can see the numbers for yourself. It has been the most successful on their docket. And then, of course, I wanted to diversify within the system, so I did a little bit of cross pairs, only just 500 in there, but I did make $2.78, which is not bad. It's still a little gains. So I like that, and you know, I'm going to continue to talk about it, and pretty soon we'll be able to test a withdrawal. I know the risk of you know what can take place, and I'm better prepared now to handle, and I'm diversified. It gives me the opportunity to diversify. Now, some of you may be trying to figure out after you have already made your account in Finesse FX, you have to get your KYC done. So if that's not something you're interested in, this may not be the opportunity for you, but it's very simple to get that done. And when you're looking for the actual PAMM account, right? So when you get into your back office in Finesse FX, you go to Invest Rating. Once you click on Invest Rating on the left-hand side under Accounts, it will bring up a list of different PAMM accounts. Like I said, this is a broker that hosts many, many different PAMM accounts. You can already see some of the automated capital PAMM accounts here. Of course, you know, because it starts with an A. So some of these start with A, and that's why they're up at the top. I don't know if it's exactly that's the reason. But anyway, all you would have to do is type in automated capital. Once you click that in, you'll see the opportunities that are here. They have the US 30, they got the cross pairs, they got the Euro USD, and the one that is not up and showing on here yet is the XAU USD. I think that's the one. That's what it's called, I believe. So, like I said, still fairly early in their journey. They don't have many investors yet. It's been around for 5 weeks. You know, I'm one of the 5 and one of the 2. And when this comes up, I may be one of the 1. You know, but as this thing grows, I'm sure we will continue to see the numbers of investors go up, because there are a lot of people out there that are looking for things like this, opportunities that they can place a little bit of capital in, and they don't have to do the trading. They don't have to be the professional. There's nothing against traders. I do believe that is a solid trade to have. And, you know, I even considered in my mind learning how to trade, but knowing my personality, knowing what my bandwidth is, and knowing what I'm willing to do and the time that I'm willing to spend. Trading is not for me. But what this allows me to do is delegate that with pretty much the same amount of risk. I think it's even less risk, because I'm dealing with people that actually know how to make a profit trading, how to actually make gains in trading. And me personally, I don't even know where to start. So I can already count that as a plus. This is a platform or an opportunity with ownership that I do believe, the same goals as all of us. They're all just all of us are just trying to put ourselves in a better financial situation. We understand the opportunities that Forex trading can provide for us, and we're finding ways to take advantage of it. Yes, there is a percentage split depending on what level you are. We have talked about that, but we can bring that up really quickly just one more time. And one thing I also want to, just so you guys can get a clear kind of look at what different options they have, I'll show that first, right? Automated capital strategy breakdown, the Euro USD, they call it low risk. The monthly goal is 10 to 15%. It only trades Euro USD, and the minimum is 100. Cross pairs, the risk is low. They assess that the risk is low. Monthly goals around 7 to 10%, and it only trades AUD CAD, AUD NZD, and NZD CAD. All right. Then the next one they have is XAU USD, which the risk is medium. The monthly goal is 15 to 20%. It only trades gold, and you must invest with EU or cross account first. The minimum is indeed $500 in one of those other accounts to be able to get into this. And I do believe that the minimum to get into this as well is $500. So not only do you have to have at least $500 in the Euro USD, you may have to deposit at least $500 in that. I'll get some clarification on that. And then, of course, with the US 30, the risk is medium. The monthly goal is 15 to 20%. It only trades US 30. You must invest with EU or cross account first, like I said for the previous one. And the minimum, again, is $500. And we'll get clarity on whether it's just $500 in the other two opportunities combined, or and. I know it's probably and, but I'm going to say or. And or. I know it's confusing, but you'll understand what I mean. $500 in the actual account itself, along with $500 at least in the other opportunities as well. That's the prerequisite, like we spoke about earlier. All right. There is one more graphic that I want to share. Let me see if I can quickly find it for you guys, and we'll be on out of here. Here we go. The tier package levels. This is what I wanted to share with you guys just as a reminder. All right, 1 second. I know you guys see it, but I don't. All right, here we go. Automated capital tier package levels. Okay. The first tier is the gold tier. They're making it very simple, and a lot of us will be here on the gold tier for a little while. Some of you may jump up to the platinum tier and diamond tiers early. However, you may find yourself saying, hey, let me just give this a shot on the gold tier, and we'll see how it goes over time, right? 100 to 50K balance, there is a profit split. That's what I was getting to. So at the gold tier, of course, because we're delegating the trading responsibilities to them, they're giving us an opportunity to gain. There's a profit split. So not only will they receive their own profits from their own tradings, but being able to trade for us gives us advantage. So we're enabling them. Well, they're kind of enabling us to be a part of that with a profit split. 70% will go to us, 30% will go to them. If you're on the platinum tier, 80% will go to us, 20% will go to them. And if you're on the diamond tier, which starts at 500K, that is 90% us, 10% them. All right. And when I mean us, I mean that would be BOJ if I was 500K in or 50K in or over $100 in, which I am. So with that being said, we're going to continue to document this. We're going to continue to talk about this. It is Thursday, so we are anticipating some trades for today as well. We'll see how everything goes. But I'm excited about the opportunity that we have here. I'm excited about getting back with Automated Capital and giving them another shot. It's been a long time, and I think they deserve a shot. They have, in a space where a lot of companies, you can't even find some of the companies that were around last year. You can't even get any communication from companies that were around 6 months ago. And with this, they've been around the whole time, and they've had some issues. Who hasn't, right? But they've worked through them. They've stayed present, and the goal stays the same. And I have a lot of respect for that. So I'm going to be rocking with Automated Capital for a little bit, and hopefully for the long haul. And we'll see how this goes. And we're going to stick and stay. So let's see what happens, all right? Everyone is entitled to their own decision, though. This is just what BOJ has decided to do, and this is something that you're interested in. We make every opportunity available for you. We don't want to hold you back from nothing. If you decide it, you want to do it, you have the opportunity to do it. With that being said, put your 2FA on all the platforms that will allow you, and all your wallets, because crypto is indeed the wild, wild west, y'all. And if you ain't strapped, you're bound to get hacked, all right? Ask me how I know. It's not very fun at all. If you like this content, go ahead and hit subscribe. If you want to be updated and notified about everything going on here at BOJ, make sure you hit the notification bell as well. And please, sir, please, ma'am, don't get scammed by the WhatsApp, man, because if you get you, there's nothing I can do to help you. All right, so stay diligent and vigilant in the space and in the comment section as well. I'll see y'all in the next one. It's your boy BOJ, and we out. Peace.